Hello everyone and welcome back to another Score SEO tutorial video. My name is Jasmine and today I'm going to show you how you can resend an activation email to one of your customers so they can have access to their customer portal. So there's actually two ways that this could be done. So first let's go into leads and consumers. Now first let's talk about how to identify when someone has not activated their customer portal. The easiest way to identify if someone hasn't activated it is by this line that we see. Now there's two examples here. We have one that's in red and we have two that's in red and we have one that's in this teal color. The teal color means that they did actually activate their customer portal. The ones that are in red still have not yet activated the customer portal. So let's talk about the first way that you can resend an activation email. So if you're currently in the leads and consumers and you're on the same page that I am, all you have to do is click this little arrow that we see here. And by clicking this, it'll automatically send the reactivation email. So that's way number one. The second way you could do it is if you're inside the customer's portal, if you're inside the customer's profile, like we see here, then you can go to new lead and you can scroll down and we find the active status. All you have to do is click the arrow from here. And those are the two ways that you can resend an activation email. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or visit our chat box that we have here located at our right hand section. And you can visit our FAQs or just open up a chat with one of our representatives and we'll be glad to assist you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.